Okay guys, we got this 2006 Volkswagen Passat. I just scanned it. We got this turbocharger boost sensor, high input, upper limit exceeded, P0238. So I'm gonna go in the engine computer. We're gonna check out live data, see if it actually says that our boost sensor is high. See advanced measuring blocks. See boost sensor. Should be down here pretty far. I think it's the boost sensor. Let's see, boost pressure. Oh, look at that actual. Look how high that is, guys. So, let's see. I gotta see where this boost pressure sensor is. But 2,550 millibar. That's pretty high. Guys, got my lap scope out. So I probed into this wire right here using battery ground. We got 5.7 volts on that one. So we'll come over to this other pin right here, and we got 5 volts. That's our 5 volt reference right there. Still connected to ground. And then this last one right here should be our ground. So there's our ground. Okay, so if we go back to this one, all the way here in the end, only 3 of the terminals were used. So if we stick that there, see our 5.7 volts. So what I did was I took this jumper wire, connected it to my ground right there, because this ground just connects into the other ground. So now if we touch this on here, we should be able to make our reading for our boost sensor drop. This will pretty much like simulate the boost sensor. So I'm just going to touch it on here like that, and you'll see it. You should see it drop. Ready? Look at that, 0. So I'm touching on there on ground, 0. So if I just keep touching it, look at that. We can make it go up and down. So right there, that proves. And look at the scope. See, we pulled on the voltage. So because we're doing that, that proves that our boost sensor is bad. Because if I plug this boost sensor back in, you'll see we stay up. So there we go, we need a boost sensor. Okay guys, got a new sensor in there. It's a Bosch sensor. There we go. So we got that done. Let's connect our scan tool back up. And then we'll see. We'll see if this will show 0 millibar. See if this will load. Then we'll clear our codes. Oops. Let's go all the way down to our boost. I don't remember what our numbers were. Were we in the 80s? We went too far. Oh, maybe it is down that far. Boost. Look at that. Oh, it's lower now. 1001 might be what's normal for key on. Start this up, see what happens. Put this in gear. Yeah, we're brake torquing it. So our boost sensor is now reading. Look at that. So now I'll just go back, we'll clear codes, and then we'll check it one more time. Okay guys, I erased the codes 3 times, so we have no codes. Start this up. Let's go to our live data. Let that load. Close our hood. We'll quick take it for a quick ride here in the parking lot. I don't think this has a plate on it, so can't really drive it anywhere. Let's go way down to boost. Where is that at? Boost. Did I miss it? This is what happens when you're sick, guys. Everything's a cloud when you're sick. Here we got atmosphere. Oh, here we go. There we go. So our boost and our atmosphere match right now, 1000 millibar. See if we can do this here in the... So what we might be able to do here is we might be able to turn and then just give us a quick gas pedal. See if our boost builds. Here we go. So we didn't really get too high. So we got 1260, I think, which, you know, we can't get in any high gears here. But I'm okay with it, guys. Let's try this again. I'll brake torque it again. So we built some boost, because you can see it went up to like... Let's go into reverse. So I'm happy with it, guys. It's working. It's not dead like it was. Hope you guys like it. See you later.